First time going in an old house. 1813. Go open the door, Ivy. Go on. Push.
I'm trying.
Okay, go on in.
That looks scary. You go first.
What?
Here's the light.
Wow. The back room. Look at those logs. Watch the steps. There's stuff everywhere. This must be a bedroom.
Big snakes.
Boy, it has a lot of stuff here. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
I think that goes upstairs. We'll go upstairs in a second.
Yeah, I see a light up there.
Alright. See any eyeballs? Any
No.
ghosts up there?
No. I wonder who'll build it.
I don't know. We'll have to look up the deed.
Ask
Old
you?
chimney.
Yep. Oh, there's a hole.
Yep. The floor fell in the kitchen. It's in the cellar now.
Let me see that. That looks super. Like.
Yeah,
Look,
it's
the
glass be all
teacups.
tore out. Huh?
The teacups.
Yes. Yep, teacups.
Now let's get a jug all over and get it.
Okay, let's go upstairs.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
that
now
was old
see
stuff.
artichoke.
Right. Wonder what that is.
Look at the wires.
Yeah, that don't look too safe. It's been modernized.
Okay, ready to go upstairs?
Okay, you go first. Go on, you got it. I'll be behind you. We're heading upstairs. Peace.